Have you ever pondered over the creation of a website using Python? What if it was told that it's not as complex as one might think? Today, the world of Python and website development will be demystified. In summary, creating a website using Python involves choosing a web framework like Flask, installing Python in Flask, creating a new project, writing the code, running the Flask application, and finally, deploying the website. This process might sound daunting, but with a little patience and practice, it becomes a piece of cake. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So why wait? Begin your journey into the realm of Python web development and embark on an adventure where you're the architect of your own digital universe. Uncover the secrets that lie hidden within lines of code as you master the art of creating powerful and dynamic websites. This isn't just about learning a new language, it's a new way of thinking, a new mindset. Picture yourself constructing virtual entities with just a few keystrokes and transforming blank canvases into vibrant, interactive landscapes. In Python, every line of code is a stroke of your digital brush, shaping the world in your own image. It's a skill, it's an art, it's a form of expression. So, embrace this opportunity to bring your ideas to life, to build something from nothing. The possibilities are limitless. The world of coding is waiting for your unique touch.